Hi everyone. Today I decided to finally get back into my skincare routine. I have been home for a while now and honestly I haven't been paying much attention to my skin. And I started noticing some rashes on my forehead and some little pimples on my face, which I didn't like, and so I decided it was finally time to reset my skin. Today's skincare video is actually different from the ones you'll see on my page. You can check them out. I'll post the link in the description box. I've actually never shaved my face before, but I've been having the feeling that my face actually needs a gentle reset, and so I needed to scrape off the dry skin cells that have built up over the period that I haven't been doing my skincare properly. So I'm incorporating shaving my face into today's routine, and this is actually my first time doing that. I didn't know how I felt about shaving my face, but all I knew was that I needed it and I had to be gentle with my skin, and I actually loved the outcome. It turned out super nice. I can feel my face breathing and I feel that is a good sign. So I'm gonna take you through the steps to getting my face looking like this. For the skincare products, I used the Clean Facial Cleanser, I used the Simple Facial Toner, Acne Clear Gel, the Vitamin C Facial Sheet Mask. I also used the Rashun Vitamin C Serum and also the Beauty Formula Facial Wash and also my lip gloss. So first of all, I heated up some water. And if you are wondering why warm water and not hot water or cold water, this is the reason. Warm water gently opens up the pores without stripping off your skin. And when your pores are relaxed, it is easier to remove dirt, oil, and dead skin sitting on the surface of your skin. I am using a facial sponge soaked in the warm water and gently rubbing my face. Notice how I am not scrubbing. I am not scrubbing my face. I am just letting the warm water do the work. This helps soften facial hair, reduce friction, and prevent irritation, even razor bumps and cuts. And if your skin is sensitive like mine, this step can make a very big difference. So before going in with a blade, I am applying baby oil, and please don't skip this part. Baby oil acts as a protective layer between your skin and the razor. It allows the blade to glide smoothly instead of dragging across the skin. We all know that dragging causes micro tears, redness, and post-shave breakouts, and that is exactly what we are trying to avoid. If this is your first time shaving your face, or if you are prone to irritation, using an oil is one of the safest way to start. You only need a thin layer. More doesn't mean better. Using more oil doesn't mean you get a better result. You just need enough to let the blade glide on the skin. So now, while shaving, there are a few things to always keep in mind. Use short, gentle strokes. Don't rush and don't press too hard. Let the blade do the work. Always shave in one direction. Notice how I am shaving downwards. Yes, just use one direction only. So if you have active breakouts, cuts, or irritation, avoid those areas completely, because when you shave over them, it can spread bacteria and cause more breakouts. Facial shaving doesn't just remove hair, it also removes dead skin cells, and this can help your skin products absorb better and give your skin a smoother appearance. But remember, this isn't something you need to do often, because overdoing it can actually damage your skin barrier. After shaving, cleansing your face is non-negotiable. This step removes leftover oil, hair, and bacteria from the skin. It also helps prevent clogged pores and post-shave breakouts. I'm using a gentle facial wash because the skin is more sensitive after shaving. So this helps clean the skin without stripping it. Think of it as resetting your skin after the bleed. So earlier we used warm water to open the pores, right? Now I am going in with ice. This contrast is very intentional. Ice helps calm the skin, reduces redness, soothes irritation after shaving. It also helps tighten the pores, reduces inflammation, and if your skin gets red easily, this step can help bring back everything to balance. And you don't need to leave the ice on for long, just enough to cool and calm the skin, like 3 to 5 minutes. Next, I'm using a cleanser that contains a small amount of alcohol, and you know, after shaving the skin is more exposed and bacteria can actually cause breakouts, right? A small amount of alcohol helps disinfect the skin and prevent infection. The key here is moderation. Too much of alcohol can dry out the skin, but a little can be very helpful after shaving. Then we move on to the facial toner, and the toner is what brings everything together. Take it as it helping restore the skin's pH balance, tighten your pores, and remove any residue left behind. This step also prepares your skin to absorb the products that come next. So if you've ever felt like your serums weren't working, sometimes the problem is keeping your toner. Now this is where we slow down. Sheet masks are very great for hydration, calming the skin and helping it recover, especially after shaving. Letting the mask sit allows your skin to drink in the moisture that it needs. So this is a good time to relax, breathe, and just let your skin rest. So we are going to rest and I'll be back. Then we move on to the vitamin C serum. After removing the mask, I am applying vitamin C serum, and this serum actually helps brighten the skin. It evens out the skin tone and supports skin repair. It also protects the skin from environmental stress and dullness, and you know, a little goes a long way. You don't have to use too much. And then my most used skincare product is the acne clear gel. I've been using this for ages, since 2018. I remember someone introduced me to it, and this has been a game changer for me since 2018 till present 2026, and it's actually going to go beyond, even in my 100th year. So for the areas that need extra care, I'm using an acne clear gel all over my face. I'm targeting treatments that help calm breakouts without overwhelming my entire face. So this especially is helpful if you are prone to small rashes or hormonal breakouts. And lastly, lip gloss, because hydrated lips matter too. Skincare doesn't stop on your face. If you have been neglecting your skincare lately, consider this your sign to start again. You just have to do it gently. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to have all the products to get your skin to breathe. So looking at this, let me know in the comments, do you shave your face, or is it something you're curious about trying?